Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Amex account statements for taxes, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, log into your American Express account on their official website. Ensure you have your account credentials handy for a smooth login process. Once logged in, navigate to the Statements and Activities section. In this section, you will find an option labeled Statements. Click on this option to access your account statements. You will see a list of available statements categorized by month and year. Select the specific statement you wish to back up for your tax records. After selecting the desired statement, look for a download option, typically represented by an icon or button. Click on the download option to begin the process. Your statement will usually download in PDF format for easy access and printing. Repeat this process for each statement you need for your tax purposes. Once all statements are downloaded, organize them in a dedicated folder on your device. Consider naming the folder clearly, such as Amex Tax Statements 2023. For added security, you may want to back up this folder to a cloud storage service. Ensure that your cloud storage account is secure and easily accessible. Alternatively, you may choose to print the statements for a physical backup. If printing, use high-quality paper to ensure readability over time. Keep your physical copies organized in a safe location for future reference. By following these steps, you will have successfully backed up your American Express account statements for tax purposes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.